Hi guys, good afternoon. Here is sunny afternoon. We look outside 33 degrees. Ay, init dito guys. Walang upo dito. Kaya ang init, ayaw ko rin magdad sa araw. Takot din ako sa araw kasi hindi ako kuwan sa araw guys. Mainit dito guys. Mahangin din. Yung kuwan ba? Ang gininandan. And it is so beautiful today time. Yes, everywhere is very sunny. Good for swimming, but I cannot swim. I don't know how to swim. It's like this. It's unique. This is very nice time now. The summertime, you see outside is very sun. And also, I have a little bit plan. So, this is really nakalimutan ko lang ang lipstick. Yesterday I had this same real love, baby, you don't know it. And I say hello, hello, baby, when I feel you apart. Don't you know